cameraman, this guy right here, are going to be taking turns, going around, just driving. Okay?
Around once.
Yeah, so, see you guys. I'll see you guys later.
You won't see the whole entire thing. Sorry. I didn't hop on because it's too dangerous for us. I'm scared. I'm not scared, but I just don't want to get on. Yeah, see, he just went there. Ow. I'm also on the tour of this ATV.
Okay, you guys. So we'll probably be doing both riding videos and we will be doing gaming and all that. So just stay tuned and we'll see you. Oh wait.